Hey everyone, welcome back to another ServiceDesk Plus Premiere update. So we've got some really cool new features to show you. First, let's talk about one of our major enhancements, that is integration with Azure OpenAI. With Azure OpenAI, we bring AI capabilities right into ServiceDesk Plus Cloud. So what's in it for us? For a technician, it brings all the AI enhancements such as drafting the responses, the summarizing the responses, or even sending contextual replies to the requesters. Left apart, so we have all other functionalities that is available for ChatGPT integration to be available for Azure OpenAI too. And if your team is using Microsoft Teams, we can go ahead and make use of the summarize feature that is available, so a technician can understand much better about a request rather going through the request completely. Alright, next, let's talk about CMDB module. We've added support for custom widgets in the CMDB module. Now you can decide what information has to be shown and where you want to show them. Let's say you want to show key CI data, external links, or even bring in some external info. It can be done now. These custom widgets can be placed either on custom menu or the CI details tab or even on the right hand panel. Now, accessibility is something we really care about. So we've added a bunch of controls to make ServiceDesk Plus Cloud inclusive for everyone. You've got a reading mask to focus where you are on the screen, a focus ring to always let you know where you are. And we also have options to increase contrast, underline links, and adjust font sizes for better readability. You can even turn off animations, customize your cursor and scroll bar, or even skip repeated content over different pages. It's all about creating a much more smoother experience. And finally, we made the room booking in the Spaces module a whole lot better from our Facilities instance. Admins can now control how long the rooms can be booked and how far in advance. And they can even set a buffer time in between meetings so things don't overlap. You can assign approvers and decide if a room booking should automatically create a service request, and you can also select the respective template when that happens. There's also a room booking section where technicians can see upcoming bookings, manage the schedules, and make changes easily. And for requesters, we've added a room booking widget where they can check the availability and approve bookings without any issue. So that's it for this episode. We'll catch you in the next one.
Hello everyone, welcome to the latest episode of Manage Engine ServiceDesk Plus Monthly Rewind. In this video, we will see some of the latest features and enhancements that will help you streamline your daily IT operations. The first feature I would like to introduce is the custom instance with external links. In the latest edition of ServiceDesk Plus, you can bring your external websites or links or instances or business critical applications into the ServiceDesk Plus ESM portal. With this feature, you don't have to jump between multiple websites or different tabs or applications. You can do all your IT activities within ServiceDesk Plus itself. Moving on to the second enhancement, customizing templates have been made more flexible with the feature Refer Entity. One of the common requirements we get from our customers is to populate the user information and some additional fields, either for triggering dynamic approvals or for selecting reporting to managers during the onboarding process. Rather than relying completely on JavaScripts, we now have this feature Refer Entity, where you can not only refer the user information, but also sites, vendors, assets, etc. This will work for the combinations of pick list, radio buttons, and multi-select fields. The next feature I have is from the asset management module. We all know the importance of timely resolution of incidents. Now we have this column, agent status, available under the asset list view, which will help me understand whether the machine is live or not. So rather than blindly initiating a remote session to any workstation, I can check whether the machine is live or not and then take up the next action. The next feature I have is from the change management. Most of you would have come across repetitive changes or the recurring changes that need to be rolled out every month. Are you tired of filling up all the template fields or the form manually? To minimize the manual work of filling up the fields for recurring changes, we have brought up this feature Copy Change. As you copy an incident request in ServiceDesk Plus, now you can copy a change request with all the stages and all the tasks. That's all for today. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.